Hi friends, it's Miss Pinky, and today we're going to learn about investments. Can you say investments? Good job. Now, what is an investment? An investment is when someone gives you money to help grow your business, but in return, they get something back. And that something is equity. What is equity? Equity means ownership. If someone gives you money for equity, they now own a piece of your business. For example, if your business has 10 slices and you give 2 slices to an investor, that means they own 20% of your business. Now here's a Miss Pinky tip. The more equity you give away, the less of your business you control. Now, let's talk about valuations. What is a valuation? Valuation means what your business is worth. If your business is valued at $1 million, an investor gives you $100,000, they might get 10% of your company. Now, here's a Miss Pinky tip. If your valuation is low, you give away more. But if your valuation is high, you keep more. Now, let's talk about cap tables. A cap table is a list of all the people who have ownership in your company. Think about it like this. It's all the people who have a slice of the pie. You, your investors, your partners. But here's a tip. Every time you take money, that cap table changes every single time. Now let's talk about safe notes. What is a safe note? A safe note is a simple agreement for future equity. That means somebody gives you money now, but gets equity later. Why people use it? It's fast, simple, no valuation needed right away. It's a we'll figure it out later kind of deal. Now, let's talk about the big bucks, a Series A. Can you say Series A? A Series A is when your business is already working. Your model is already proven, you have customers, you're making money, and you are ready to grow. This is when bigger investors come in to help you scale. What happens? You raise more money, you give up equity, but you grow really, really fast. Now, let's talk about a bridge loan. What's a bridge loan? A bridge loan is temporary money. It's basically money that gets you from point A to point B, right? Here's a Miss Pinky tip though. It's just a loan. You have to pay it back, often with interest. Now, how do you find investors? Step 1, you gotta get ready. Know your business, know your numbers. If you can't explain it, they will not invest. Step 2, make sure that you find the right people. Not everybody is an investor. Find people that don't just have money, but they also have resources. And step 3, learn how to pitch. What do you do? Why does it work? And why you? Keep it simple, stupid. That's what they want to know. So what kind of investment do you want to give? Do you want to give equity, safe notes, or a loan? Pick what matches you the most. Here's a final warning. Not all money is good money. Every dollar comes with terms. Read it, understand it, and protect your business. If you enjoyed this episode today, make sure that you follow us on all social media handles and subscribe below. I had to learn it the hard way, so now I can teach you the easy way. Let me go take care of these kids.